Assalamualaikum, this is Mubashir Mughal and the one liner of this session is how to be smart. People are not smart by born, they become smart. We can also become a smart. First of all, we have to understand what is actually mean by a smart person. Normally we can consider a person who are educated, we say that it is a smart person. Yes, definitely it will be smart, but every educated person is not a smart. From my point of view, a smart person are those who are educated but they know that how and where to speak. They know their skills and they know that how to use it and where to use it. If you have skills and you know that how to use it, it means that you are a smart person. But if you have a skill, if you are an educated person but you don't know that where and how to use your information, your knowledge, your skill, it means that you are not a smart person. Normal person doesn't know that how to use his skills, but a smart person know that how to use his own skills. You must have a skill. If you have, then it is very good. Then you must have to learn that how to use it. You have skill, but you got to know the technique of using your skill. But if you are not a smart person, don't worry. Don't worry. Not everybody is smart. You can become smart. First of all, you have to learn some skills. Know how you can learn skill and how you be smart. I will give you some tips. The number one tip is self-awareness. You have to know about yourself. Everybody want to know, but they want to know other people. They are interested in the stories of other people. You have to got interest in your own story. So first of all, you have to self-aware. Second thing is understanding. You must have to understand the situation. Then you have to react. If you don't know, it means that you are doing hard work. The people who are doing hard work, it means they are not smarter. But smart people always do smart work. And what is the hard work and smart work? If you are doing smart work, it means that you know about that thing. You know the facts, you got understand that situation and then you are reacting. But if you don't know about the situation and you are reacting, it means that you are doing hard work. So first of all, self-awareness. Second is understanding. Third is reading. If you are a good reader, it means that you are learning more and more. And if you are learning more, it means that you are getting more. And if you are getting more, it means you are skillful. And if you are skillful, it means that you are a smarter person. So you must have to read more and more and more. And then you have to write whatever you learn in front of you. You have to write and you also have to speak in front of different people. You can speak with your friends, you can speak with your colleagues. You have to teach and share your ideas. This will give you smartness because all the smarter person do this. They read, they write, they have skills and they talk to the people. Next thing is surround yourself with those people who are skillful, who are interested, in which you are interesting. You have to talk with that people, you have to communicate with that people and learn more knowledge and observe deeply that what they are doing, what they are speaking. If you are observing, it means that you are getting more, you are understanding. Without observation, you can't understand anything. So you must have to observe. Work with those people who are successful, who are skillful, who are smarter. Because if you are working with that people, you can observe that person. You can also play some games on your mobile phone, on laptop, on anything. But you have to play some game, puzzling games. Your mind must need some exercises and this will give you exercise. It will give you more smartness. And after getting these lot of knowledge, lot of information, skills, review it. Review all the information you have. Review all the information, all the observation, anything you have and write it on the page in front of you and review it. You can also meditate. Set an image in your mind. Image of a dog or anything you have and think about this. Write something about that image which you have fixed in your mind for a few minutes. Exercise it. You can also imagine a word in your mind and then think about that word for a few minutes. Set in your mind different pictures, different words which you have learned from the others and then meditate. This will boost your smartness and visualize all the things, all the images, all the words you have learned from the others and always review it. First of all, you must have to understand that you can become a smarter, then you can do these things. Now, what we have learned is that first of all we have to self-aware, second is understanding, third is reading, writing, speaking, teaching, sharing your ideas, getting more ideas, observing. All these things will give you smartness and you will become more smarter if you are observing and doing these things. I hope you will learn a lot from this session. If you think that this is an informative video, then please share it. Also do comments and tell me more about this. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.